Are you a software manual tester? If so, it is time for you to learn software test automation in Java with Selenium WebDriver. Are you looking for a coding bootcamp that teaches you project-based test automation skills below SDLC, STLC, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Selenium IDE, Selenium Grid, SQL Server, Amazon AWS, Java, Selenium WebDriver, Cucumber Framework, TestNG, Junit, Jira, TestRail, Bitbucket, Jenkins, Postman, Apache JMeter, RESTful API. Welcome to United Coder, Software Development and Test Training and Job Placement Program. The program starts in August 17, 2019. Space is limited. Please register for the program as soon as possible. Visit www.unitedcoder.com for registration.